So my creative type is a visionary. It describes me perfectly well. I'm definitely one of those people that love to think, 10 years in advance. I know it sounds crazy, but it's kind of true. I studied at London College of Communication, design for advertising. I was very lucky to leave uni straight into a job. I think that's the kind of visionary part of me that wanted to make sure I had something to land on. And it was really cool, a small little agency working on the likes of Channel 4 and Pepsi. And then when they got brought out to a much wider role, which was kind of crazy at my young age. And went back to another agency called Drum, stayed there for 5 years. And after that, decided to go freelance as a creative director. I started a podcast in my head 10 years ago because I was so frustrated all that time. But it was really when I decided to have confidence in myself and in my voice to start doing things. So now I sort of tell everyone, you must start it. Even if no one sees it, even if you're doing it for yourself, it just helps so much in so many different ways.